Hi, in this video series, we'll be walking through how to use Davinci Resolve for all your video editing needs. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and download the software. So in this video, what we will be doing is connecting the software, creating a database, and starting a new project. The first thing you do is you go to the website. I'll provide a link in the description below, and you'll come to Davinci Resolve 16. You're going to go ahead and click download, and from here you have two options. Davinci Resolve 16 or Davinci Resolve Studio 16. We're going to go ahead and just use Davinci Resolve 16 because it's free and we don't need everything that Davinci Resolve Studio 16 gives us. It's got a lot of extra bells and whistles for if you're doing like high professional Hollywood type of special effects. You might want to get into Davinci Resolve Studio 16. However, we're building instructional videos for trades, so we're going to be in Davinci Resolve 16. Then, depending on the operating system your computer uses, you can download the Mac, the Windows, or the Linux version. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go ahead and open up. So we're going to open up our Davinci Resolve 16, and this is where we need to connect to a database. Now, what a database is where we are going to store all of the projects that we build, where all the videos are going to be going. We're going to go down here, and we're going to click on New Database. We're going to go to Create, because we have none created yet. And we're going to give it a name. I'm just going to click in TVET Videos. It's all lowercase. Don't worry, your computer keyboard is not broken if you try to put an uppercase there. It's not going to take any sort of symbols. Just a quick, simple name is all it's looking for. Then we're going to click to select a directory. And from here, I've already gone ahead and created a folder where I want to send everything. And I would suggest you do the same. So I'm going to go to my desktop. And I've got one here for TVET Videos. I'm going to go ahead and open. And then go ahead and create my database. Just takes a second, and now we have a database built. From there, we have an untitled project. We have no other projects here. Now, if I look at one of my other ones here, I've got another database that I have up top here. You notice I've got one other video that I built over here. So you can set up different databases, different folders that you're sending these to. We're going to go ahead and use this one down below because it's brand new. We're going to go ahead and double click on the project. And from there, we end up with our brand new project. Now, just to make some mention of some things, and in the next videos, we'll go into greater detail on these things. I'm just going to give a little walkthrough. So in this area here, we have our media pool. This is where you're going to be dragging your videos into, the videos that you have filmed and are wanting to edit. You'll be dragging them from folders and dropping them into this area. This is where you'll have your pictures set up. You'll have your audio set up. All your media goes to there. Down below here, we have what's called our timeline. Now you've got this red playhead here, which is going to move back and forth depending on where we want to go into the project. And again, this will be covered in greater detail when we're actually starting to edit a video. Now down here, we've got a bunch of different areas here. We're going to walk through each one of these. We've got an editing tab, we've got a folder tab, we've got a cut tab, edit, fusion tab, which is for different types of special effects, which we probably will not be using. We've got coloring if we need to adjust our coloring. Our Fairlight, which is basically all our video and our audio if we want to tweak them at all. And then this one's very important to us. This is called send, and this is, or deliver, sorry. And this is where we are going to render our video or export it after we've made all of our edits. You can also do that up here under quick export. Over here we have our play area. So this is where you're going to see the video show up. In the next videos, we'll start fooling around with putting videos in here, cutting them up, and making them work for us. But for now, get yourself set up with a project in a database.